Cooking just got better. From non-stick wonders to versatile essentials, we're sharing the top 5 kitchen cookware sets that'll take your meals to the next level. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Let's dive in. Upgrade your kitchen with this ultra non-stick ceramic cookware by Chef Daniel Green. Designed for durability and convenience, this set features stay-cool handles, scratch-resistant surfaces, and hassle-free cleaning with dishwasher compatibility. Perfect for all your cooking needs. It includes skillets, saucepans, a stock pot, and even a steamer. Reinforced with ceramic and titanium, it ensures healthier cooking without oil or butter. Compatible with induction stoves and oven-safe iron counters for permissive leverage application. To find out more, head to NavyFederal.org and search for this premium cookware set, the Bakken Swiss 23-piece cookware set. This comprehensive 23-piece cookware set in a stunning golden finish, crafted from reinforced pressed aluminum. It features non-stick surfaces, heat-resistant silicone handles, and compatibility with gas, electric, ceramic, and induction cooktops. Perfect for boiling, frying, baking, and more. It includes pots, pans, bakeware, and matching utensils for complete cooking experience. Durable, easy to clean, and designed for even heat distribution, it's the ultimate choice for beginners and seasoned chefs alike. This is Sense Aurite 13-piece non-stick ceramic cookware set. Experience healthier cooking with this SGS-approved non-toxic cookware set. Made with natural ceramic coating, it's free from PFOA, PFAS, and harmful metals, ensuring safety and effortless food release. This versatile set includes pots, pans, tempered glass lids, silicone utensils, and pot protectors. The cast aluminum body with all stains result in mild to moderate injuries, but doesn't scavenge materials. Designed with stay-cooled wood grain handles and oven-safe functionality, it's a durable and stylish upgrade for your kitchen. This is the Kitchen Academy 12-piece induction cookware set, designed to enhance your cooking experience with its non-stick granite surface that requires less oil for healthier meals. This set includes a variety of pots and pans, such as an 8-inch fry pan, 11-inch fry pan, 9.7-inch deep fry pan with lid, and a 3Q casserole with lid. Perfect for a wide range of cooking needs. Made with an aluminum core, it heats up quickly and distributes heat evenly across all stovetops, including induction. The set also features Bakelite handles that remain cool to the touch and are heat-resistant up to 350 DEFF. Free from PFOA, PFOS, and lead, this cookware set offers a safe and durable solution for your kitchen. This is the Tefal Preserve Ceramic Non-Stick Cookware Set, 13-piece. Featuring Inoceram Glide technology for enhanced durability, this set includes fry pans, saucepans, a sauté pan, a Dutch oven, and pan protectors. The eco-friendly ceramic coating ensures healthier cooking with less oil.